High blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia, occurs when there's a buildup of excess glucose in the bloodstream, and the body is unable to get rid of it efficiently. As of 2018, more than 34 million people in the US were living with diabetes, according to the CDC. High blood sugar can lead to various health issues, and it's important to be aware of certain warning signs and symptoms. Understanding these symptoms is important for taking proactive measures and seeking timely medical attention. Let's dive in. Number 1. Frequent thirst. Experiencing an unquenchable thirst is often one of the initial signs that your blood sugar levels may be elevated. When your body senses high levels of sugar in the bloodstream, it responds by trying to dilute and eliminate it through increased urine production. As a result, you become dehydrated, leading to a persistent feeling of thirst. This heightened thirst is the body's way of signaling that something might be off with your blood sugar regulation. If you find yourself reaching for a glass of water more often than usual, and the thirst seems insatiable, it's a red flag that warrants attention. Monitoring your water intake and being mindful of any changes in your thirst patterns can serve as an early indicator of potential issues with blood sugar levels, prompting you to seek medical advice for further evaluation and management. Number 2. Increased urination. An increase in the frequency of urination is another significant indicator that your blood sugar levels might be too high. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering and removing excess sugar from the blood. When blood sugar levels are elevated, the kidneys work harder to eliminate the excess sugar by excreting it through urine. As a result, you may notice an increase in the need to visit the bathroom more frequently than usual. This symptom is often accompanied by increased thirst, creating a repeating cycle where the body attempts to rid itself of excess sugar through both increased urination and the consumption of more fluids. If you find yourself making more trips to the bathroom and it's not due to an increase in your fluid intake, it's important to consider the possibility of elevated blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional. Number 3. Persistent fatigue. Persistent fatigue can be a subtle, yet alarming sign that your blood sugar levels are too high. When glucose in the bloodstream cannot effectively enter the cells due to insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production, the body struggles to convert sugar into energy. As a result, you may experience an ongoing sense of tiredness and lethargy even if you've had an adequate amount of sleep. This fatigue is often accompanied by a general feeling of weakness and can impact your ability to engage in daily activities. If you find yourself constantly lacking energy despite maintaining a healthy lifestyle, it's crucial that you consider the possibility of high blood sugar levels. Number 4. Blurred vision. Prolonged high sugar levels can lead to the damage of the small blood vessels in the eyes, affecting their ability to focus properly. As a result, you may experience fluctuations in vision, including blurriness or difficulty in seeing fine details. This symptom can develop gradually, so it's important to be attentive to any changes in your eyesight. Blurred vision caused by high blood sugar levels may also be accompanied by other visual disturbances. If you notice persistent issues with your vision, especially if it interferes with your daily activities, it's critical that you consult with a healthcare provider, as timely intervention can help prevent further complications and preserve your eye health. If you're getting value so far, let me know in the comments. Number 5. Fruity breath. Fruity breath, often described as a sweet or fruity odor in the breath, can be a distinctive sign of elevated ketone levels in the body. When blood sugar levels are excessively high, the body may start breaking down fat for energy instead of using glucose effectively. This process produces ketones, which can be detected in the breath. While fruity breath itself is not harmful, it indicates a state of ketosis that may be linked to uncontrolled diabetes. If you notice this characteristic odor in your breath, it's important to consider the possibility of high blood sugar levels, and seeking timely medical intervention can help address the underlying causes and prevent potential complications associated with prolonged ketosis. Number 6. Increased hunger. A heightened sense of hunger, even after consuming a meal, can be a telling sign that your blood sugar levels are too high. Insulin plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar and facilitating the entry of glucose into cells for energy. When there's insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production, the body's cells are unable to effectively utilize glucose, leading to a perceived lack of energy. As a result, you may experience increased hunger, as your body signals a need for more fuel. This symptom is often accompanied by the paradox of unexplained weight loss, as the body breaks down muscle and fat for energy. If you find yourself constantly hungry, despite maintaining a regular eating schedule, it's beneficial to consider the possibility of elevated blood sugar levels and seek further medical evaluation. Number 7. Difficulty concentrating. High blood sugar levels can impact cognitive function, leading to difficulties in concentration and mental clarity. When the brain doesn't receive an adequate supply of glucose due to insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production, it may struggle to perform optimally. This can result in brain fog, forgetfulness, and a general sense of difficulty concentrating on tasks. If you find yourself experiencing challenges in staying focused or completing mental tasks, it's important to consider the possibility of elevated blood sugar levels. Monitoring your cognitive function and being attentive to changes in your ability to concentrate can serve as an early indicator of potential issues with blood sugar regulation. Number 8. Increased heart rate. When blood sugar is too high, the body may experience increased stress, causing the heart to work harder to pump blood. This can result in a faster resting heart rate or palpitations, which are sensations that your heart is pounding or racing, as the cardiovascular system responds to the strain caused by elevated glucose levels. If you experience an unexplained acceleration of your heart rate or palpitations, it's important to consider the possibility of high blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional. Addressing the root cause and managing blood sugar levels can contribute to maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing potential heart-related complications. Number 9. Unexplained weight loss. Experiencing unexplained weight loss without intentional changes to your diet or exercise routine can be a concerning sign of elevated blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is consistently high, the body may start to break down muscle and fat for energy, since the cells are not receiving the glucose they need. This can lead to a gradual but noticeable loss of weight. Individuals who have poorly controlled high blood sugar or undiagnosed diabetes may find themselves shedding pounds even when they haven't actively pursued weight loss. If you notice a significant and unintentional drop in your body weight, it's important to consider the possibility of high blood sugar levels and seek medical advice promptly. And there you have it, 9 alarming signs that your blood sugar might be too high. If you identify with any of these symptoms, it's critical that you consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. Remember, early detection can make a significant difference in managing and preventing complications of high blood sugar. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends or family. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.